How to use Lyft's shared ride features. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm gonna let you know the ways to use Lyft's shared ride feature. So now Lyft has discontinued the shared ride features. Now the shared ride were a low cost option that would connect riders with other along their route. So basically what you had to do is, if you had to go ahead and schedule a ride or a shared ride, then you just had to go to the home page. But then, as mentioned earlier, that they have discontinued the ride. So if you had to go, so here, share your ride details with up to 5 contacts by opening the app menu, tapping the settings icon at the top of the page, and then you could then go to the safety tools, which you could find it right over here. When you go to safety tools, then you could add, so here you could go and share your location as well. You could choose to share your ride details automatically or only at night. Now you could also link account with up to 5 members to share a payment method. The organizer can share their payment method and the member can tap Lyft Family as a payment method when requesting a ride. Likewise, you could request ride for someone else by entering their address in the app and tapping change rider. You can add a stop during a ride by tapping the plus icon next to the listed address. So this way you'll be able to use some of the features of Ride, some of the feature of Lyft app. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.